Hey guys, what's up? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna go to the London fireworks for 2026 and then I'm gonna go there with you guys, and then whenever I probably get to the car, I'm gonna record some videos and then take you all the way to London. Hi guys, I'm in the car now and I'm probably gonna start my journey now. Hey guys, now we're in London. I'm gonna head in the restaurant, and then when I head in the restaurant, I'm gonna do some clips of the menu and some clips of the food, and then we're gonna probably head to the fireworks. Actually, I just had like 2 fireworks. Just go bang bang. So I'll go in the restaurant and then I'm gonna do some clips. Hey guys, now I'm over here at the shop. We're gonna get some ice cream, show you some clips, and then we're gonna head now to the fireworks. 1 hour drive. I'll do some clips of the way and then I'll show you guys all of the fireworks. Okay guys, I have my ice cream. I'm gonna quickly eat it and then we're gonna go fireworks and then I'll record it all with you guys. 2, 1, Happy New Year! Yeah! Guys, are you liking this YouTube video? Happy New Year, guys! Happy 2026! Those are all the fireworks. They're not even finished yet. And guys, please like and subscribe because I came all the way to London and record all of this for you guys. Those are actually sick. The guys were trying to jump over the fences and the police catched them. Okay guys, I think I have to end it now because I'm not trying to get hurt because there's a lot of drunk people. Okay, so guys, bye. I hope you guys can like and subscribe, and guys, if you enjoyed, comment down below, and if you want some more stuff like this IRL videos, then comment down below. Bye.